Okay, just leaving off from where we were, we have one issue here. We've got a 1/8 minus a 6/8, and that's not going to work. So what we're going to do is we're going to borrow 8/8 from 5. And so that changes that to a 4, so we're borrowing 1 from it. And we're borrowing 8/8, or 1, so we add 8/8 to 1/8, and that is 9/8. Because 8/8 plus 1/8, 8 plus 1 is 9 over 8. So we took 1 away from 5 and just added it to 1/8 basically, and we changed this so that we can do the subtraction. So now we have 4 and 9/8 minus 6/8, so 9 minus 6 is 3, and 4 minus nothing is 4, so 4 and 3/8. That would be our final answer there. Okay, that one's a little more involved, but that's alright. Nothing we can't handle. And we got a couple more here. 18. Multiplication one. Okay. Whenever we are multiplying with mixed numbers, we want to turn them improper first. So we want to turn these improper. Because if we multiplied 2 times 2 times 4 and then multiplied our fractions, we wouldn't get the right answer. So let's turn them improper. First I want to look at, I'm going to write them out the normal way here. So 2 and 7/8 times 2 and 1/4 times 4. So let's turn all these improper. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 7 is 23 over 8. Four times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 9 over 4. And to turn 4 to an improper, we just put it over 1. 4 over 1. Now we can multiply straight across, or we can do some other things with it. So, just make sure I got everything right here. Okay, looks like it'll turn out okay. It might be a little strange, that's alright. You could multiply straight across right away and then reduce if you wanted. I'm going to do a little canceling. I know that 4 and 4 will cancel out, so 1 and 1. And it looks like that's about all we can do. So we're going to get 8 times 1 times 1, and 23 times 9, which is 27, 9 times 2 is 18, plus 2 is 207. So 207 over 8. That's the improper way to write the answer. Otherwise you can figure out how many 8's go into 207. So 2, 16, 4, drop down our 7, 8 goes in there 6 times. Yeah. Yep, 6 times. So 40. No, that's wrong. 8 goes in there 5 times. 40. So we've got 25 and 7/8. That's another way we could write it too. Okay. Let's take a look at the next one then. And there I just took our remainder over our divisor. Either way would be okay. And tomorrow's answer should probably work out better than that one did. Okay. This will be the last one we cover here. 6 and 2/3 divided by 5. Once again, we're going to want to turn these improper. So remember, dividing or multiplying with mixed numbers, we want to turn improper. Adding or subtracting, we don't have to, but we might need to do some borrowing. So we'll turn this improper here. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20, and that's over 3 still, divided by 5 over 1. And division with fractions has a unique rule to it. We turn it into multiplication after we flip the second one around. So we take the reciprocal of it. And 20 goes into 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So we have 4 times 1, 3 times 1, and that equals 4/3 or 1 and 1/3. Either of those would be okay. Alright, and there is one more question. We won't go over it, but I will show it to you so you can see what you'll see tomorrow. 1.45 divided by 0.5. And the deal with this one is, when you divide by a fraction or a decimal that's less than 1, it actually makes things bigger. So dividing by half actually doubles this number. So you would get a bigger answer than you expect. So don't worry about that tomorrow if you do. Alright, hopefully this helped, and we'll see you tomorrow.